Start by removing your old OEM mirror. Pull the inner mirror panel off. Remove the foam insulation. Disconnect the mirror's electrical connector. Remove the 3 10mm nuts using a socket, ratchet, and extension. Be sure to support the mirror while removing the last nut. Press these 3 tabs and remove the mirror from the vehicle. You can now install your new Trail Ridge mirror. Reinstall the 3 10mm nuts by hand. Then tighten them down with your socket, ratchet, and extension. Reconnect the wire harness. Reinstall the foam insulation and the trim cover.